Hi, it's Paul Maunder from Production Expert. In this video, we'll be looking at the Unmix song feature in SpectraLayers 12 Pro from Steinberg. This process allows you to split a mixed track into stems, which you can then use to rebalance or remix the song. Here's a section of the song we'll be working with.
Now he don't wear spurs that go jingle. He don't spend his nights round the fire. It's diesel oil that his horses require.
Over in the modules section, I'll click on Unmix Song, and here you can see all of the parts which we have the option to unmix: vocals, drums, bass, guitar, piano. There is no sax or brass in this particular song, so I'm going to leave this unchecked, but it's there if you need it. And also we have this option to unmix sax and brass first. This performs the unmix process on the brass before the vocals, and in a lot of cases this can actually yield better results. Anyway, we can preview any of the parts here, so for example the vocals.
Now he don't wear spurs that go jingle. He don't spend his nights round the fire.
When it comes to actually processing this, we have three quality options: fast, balanced, and high. Personally, I prefer to use high quality. It does take longer, but the results are excellent, so it's worth it. This will take a while, as you can see, so let's just skip ahead. Okay, it's done, and in the spectrogram, we can now see different colours which represent each of the layers or stems. Over on the right, we can see those layers: vocals, drums, bass, guitar, piano, and other. And if I play this,
he don't wear spurs that go jingle.
We can solo some of the layers.
He don't spend his nights round the fire.
Drums.
Is required.
Bass.
Saturday cowboy.
Guitar. Piano. And the good thing about this is nothing actually gets removed as a result of these processes. You probably noticed on that piano layer that it felt like it wasn't quite all there, but the good thing is that missing information will be on one of the layers, and we have the option to manually move that to the right layer as needed. I'll get to that shortly, but before we do that, there are some additional Unmix modules which allow us to further process the separated audio. For example, the drums. We can use the Unmix drum module on this. This is going to separate our existing drum stem into individual tracks for each part of the kit. I'll hit apply, and to save time again, let's skip to the point where this is done. Now we've got the drums as before, but we've now got the kick, snare, toms, hi-hat, and there's a ride and crash in there too. As I mentioned earlier, the sum total of this always adds up to the original, so it's lossless in the sense that nothing actually gets removed from the total sound.
He is a Latter-day cowboy.
Let's go back to the vocals again.
But he is a Latter-day cowboy, dressed as a truck driving man.
And that's obviously a main vocal with a single backing vocal. We can further unmix these using the Unmix Chorus module. Once again, we have preview options, so I can preview either the lead or backing vocals. So let's preview the lead vocals.
But he is a Latter-day cowboy, dressed as a truck driving man.
Sounds good. So let's apply this. Now it's done, we have the lead vocals.
But he is a Latter-day cowboy,
and the backing vocals.
dressed as a truck driving man, driving his wheels and his dreams to shine.
And going back to what I said about nothing actually getting thrown away with any of these processes, let's say we had something on this other layer. And just for the sake of demonstration, if I, for example, identified that a bit of this was actually piano, I could select it. Obviously, you'd be more careful than this. Then we'll go to Edit, Cut Special, to Layer. Now we can specify which layer we want it to go to, so I'll choose piano. OK, and that's now been moved to the piano layer. And as I said, this is non-destructive. We're just moving things between layers. The sum total remains the same. And once we have all of these layers, we could rebalance them.
Now he don't wear spurs of gold, don't spend his nights round the fire. It's diesel oil that his horses require.
Alternatively, you could just export all of these layers as separate WAV files for use in a DAW, although actually you could do this directly within your DAW. Here's Nuendo with SpectraLayers running as an ARA plugin. This also works in Cubase, once again another Steinberg product, but also other DAWs supporting ARA, including Pro Tools. Within any of these DAWs, once you've performed an unmix process using SpectraLayers, these layers can then just be dragged to your timeline so you can work with them however you need to. So that's the Unmix Song feature, along with Unmix Drums and Unmix Chorus in SpectraLayers 12 Pro. For more information, head over to steinberg.net. Thanks for watching.